Learning objective. Review your financial targets, client relationships, and client feedback, and then apply what you have learned to continuously grow your thriving freelance business. You have put a lot of work into establishing your freelance business. It's now time to act, using strategies in this coursebook to land and keep clients. As you get more assignments under your belt, evaluate the targets that you set for your freelance business in Module 2. Review your financial targets, number of clients, hourly rate, and annual income. Also evaluate your client relationships and the success of your projects. What worked, what didn't? What can you improve upon? What kind of client feedback have you received? Explore what else you can offer existing clients. Can you package your services differently? Has there been a demand for help on larger projects that exceeds your ability to deliver? Would you consider evolving your freelance business into a small business with employees? Can you expand your offering by learning new skills? Once you're set up and you've worked on direct outreach to clients, the next step is to attract prospects by expanding upon the marketing tactics covered in this coursebook. You can start to explore next-level website content like adding a sales funnel to your website, lead generation strategies, email marketing, and social media advertising. And finally, be persistent. Be prepared for the inevitable up and downs of freelancing. The freelancer's life is not always easy, but it's worth it. Refer to this course regularly as you grow your freelance business. Follow the step-by-step process, making any adjustments based on what you've learned. Answer the following questions. What have you learned about running a freelance business? What did you find difficult? How will you address any problems that you encountered? What else can you do to refine and improve the process? Action steps. Evaluate the targets you set for your freelance business in Module 2 and answer these questions in your action guide. Will you reach your financial goals by the end of your first year? Is your hourly rate realistic or does it need to be adjusted? Is it too high? Too low? Are your client targets reasonable? Can you juggle that many clients at once? Or, conversely, do you need more clients to break even? Was your estimate of billable hours per week too high or too low? Evaluate your client relationships and the success of your projects. What worked, what didn't? What can you improve upon? Answer the following questions in your action guide. Have you been consistently underestimating the number of hours a project will take to complete? What can you do to change this? Did you experience any miscommunications with your client? If so, what did you learn from it and how can improve processes and communications in the future? What kind of client feedback have you received? Favorable? Rave reviews? Disappointment? What types of assignments garner the most positive feedback? Is it possible to switch your focus to more projects like this? Look ahead to how you may want your business to evolve in the future. Explore what else you can offer existing clients. Can you package your services differently? Has there been a demand for help on larger projects that exceeds your ability to deliver? Is it worth considering evolving your freelance business into a small business with employees? Can you expand your offering by learning new skills? Review the course thoroughly and answer the questions on what you have learned. Use the action plan in the action guide to record your next steps.